What's up guys, Phil here from Furious Technology, and today we're getting a close-up look at the Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.63. This is the newest one. Nice looking big zoom lens, so it's a telephoto lens, 75-300. Let's go ahead and put it up, get a closer look at it, and then we're going to go ahead and throw it on to my Canon SL2, which is a really tiny DSLR camera. So besides the actual lens itself, there's just kind of plastic protection in the box there, nothing too fancy. We'll take the actual lens out and we'll get a close-up look at the lens itself. So we'll go from the top right here, Canon zoom lens EF 75-300. Really nice metal making out of this, so it's nice and quality feel to it. 75-300 right there, 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet macro. And it does have autofocus and manual focus, so you can switch that between the two if you want to. And then obviously we've got the lens cap right here. We'll take that off so we can see right there. So nothing really too fancy, but if we actually control this, so we can actually turn this and you can see how much farther out it comes out for as far as zoom goes. So let's go ahead and we'll throw this on to my Canon SL2. Okay, so here is my Canon SL2, and this one has the 18-55, the standard kit lens that was included with my SL2. So let's go ahead and push this and we'll pop that right off, and I'll put that lens aside. We'll take this, the 75-300 lens, and we'll take the cap off and actually throw this on my other camera right here. And that's the actual inside of the camera. So you can see you want those metal pieces right there to line up with the camera. So let's go ahead and I'll hold this and we'll just put this right in just like that. You just want to kind of get it into the grooves and then twist until it clicks. And there we go. This lens looks huge on my Canon SL2 because the Canon SL2 is such a small camera as it is. And then, I mean, if you're zooming out right there, you can see how big the camera looks. I mean, that's pretty crazy, but hey, I mean, the Canon SL2 is a great camera, and if you pair it with this lens, it works really well for telephoto. So if you're out at the night and you want to get some nice zoomed pictures of, I don't know, you can zoom into, like, say, start at a skyline and then zoom into like maybe a boat or something like that. That would be pretty cool. So definitely a good lens to have, so check it out. I'm going to post a link in the description below, so if you guys want to check out this lens, and also post a link to my Canon SL2 camera if you guys are interested in seeing that and seeing what the current prices are. But until then, thanks a lot for watching this one, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.